So today, can I just turn that on for a minute? We vlogging because we are going to a bonfire night, and I've got Alistair and Erica here, and Dad.
Hello.
And
pleased to meet you all.
And
I've got my hat on.
Me too. And I'm getting mine. I left mine at Libby and Sophie's. Guys, I thought I'd delete this bonfire night video, so it's really late. I do really apologise, but I decided to just show it to you anyway. With Olivia and Soph. We're just waiting outside for her. Where is she?
I think she's here, isn't she?
Yeah, so my dad and Alice have just gone to go find her. Woo! Hi! Say hi! Hi! How are you? Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! It's past Halloween!
Let's go!
Watching the bonfire. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god!
That's so massaging on the feet.
I know, I love that! Alice just like completely crushed me!
Oh my god,
oh, that's
this is so tight.
I hate this! How claustrophobic is this? It's so close! Oh my god, I thought that was Ida! Wow, this is so blue! This is so blue! Yeah! This is like a little play bit! Look! Oh, what's that?
Oh, where are we going?
Oh, I hate this!
Right, we go this. Come on, Hannah, you got this.
Oh, heck!
Okay, but for real, can I feel this moving? I thought that too, like 5 seconds ago, but you just
So guys, after this bonfire night, me and Alistair went to my Auntie Phoebe's and we went to go watch the fireworks in Chester, and we went for a sleepover. Here it is. So I'm leaving right now to go to my Auntie Phoebe's. Just make sure every light's off. Yeah, Rosie, come on. See you later. Good girl. So we're going to sleep there. So I've just got my hair into little space bun curls, and what are you doing? And just like this fluffy jacket, my jeans, my shoes, and this t-shirt, and just my bag. So yeah. So we're at Halfords right now, just getting some food, and we're going to the fireworks. Wait, is it just us 3?
Yeah, Jane might come along, or Lisa might come and meet us, but I don't know. Hello.
And we're gonna
This is the crew.
We're gonna go to the fireworks after.
We're going to Tesco's first, get some popcorn.
And then Alistair get in.
It's too far away to go.
And then
I just put my hand in. Put my bad X-Men fist in.
3 Musketeers. But then we're going to the fireworks display, and oh my
We're
god!
going to Tesco's and get some popcorn, and then we're going to watch some kind of film. I don't know, something else we need to watch.
Find a good film.
Find a good film.
So guys, we are in, where are we, Auntie?
Tesco's on Greyhound Road.
What do you call it?
Tezzies.
So, we're in Tesco's, just getting a few things. Got some heroes and celebrations because my auntie has this like massive sweet jar.
Sweet jar.
All the time we've got really nice fresh orange juice and things like that. We're early right now because we just met some fancy feast friends. And we have to run to get some bonfire ready. Fireworks have started. Oh my goodness. We're running again in a minute. Say going off! Alistair! Going off!
Over there, Rach. Over that way.
You can't see. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry this is really late, it's just I thought I'd deleted it, but I didn't. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and if you're not new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below anything, what did you do on Bonfire Night, what was your favourite ride, or like anything like that. Bye guys!